Discover the most exciting innovations hitting the market with 20 new tools on Amazon You Must See, featuring Standout Milwaukee. New tools for 2026. This lineup brings cutting-edge performance, smarter designs, and pro-grade durability to every job site or workshop. Whether you're upgrading your toolkit or exploring the latest breakthroughs, these must-see tools deliver power, precision, and next-level efficiency. Milwaukee Carry-On Power Supply. The Milwaukee Carry-On Power Supply delivers clean, quiet, emissions-free power as a modern alternative to gas generators. Available in M18 and MX fuel versions, it provides up to 3,600 starting watts and 1,800 running watts with pure sine wave output for sensitive electronics. Designed for both job sites and recreational use, it offers multiple outlets, integrated charging, durable construction, and RedLink Plus intelligence. Lightweight, portable, and maintenance-free, it's ideal for indoor spaces and environments where gas units cannot operate. Milwaukee Low Speed Tyre Buffer. The Milwaukee M12 Fuel TM. Low Speed Tyre Buffer is a cordless high-control solution built to replace pneumatic tools in professional tyre shops. Designed for precision flat tyre repairs on passenger and light truck vehicles, it features a power state TM, brushless motor, 2-mode drive control TM, and a variable speed trigger for accurate buffing and drilling. Its quick change chuck boosts efficiency, while RedLink Plus electronics ensure protection and peak performance. Durable rubber overmold, LED lighting, and an onboard fuel gauge enhance usability in demanding shop environments. Milwaukee Lockbolt Tool. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel TM. Lockbolt tool with one key TM is a high-performance cordless solution designed for fast, powerful, and reliable lockbolt installation. Delivering 20,000 N of pulling force and single-trigger rapid installation, it boosts productivity while eliminating hoses and compressors. Compatible with a wide range of huck fasteners, it offers exceptional versatility and long runtime, up to 1,200 lockbolts per charge with an XC 5.0 battery. Built for durability, it features a power state brushless motor, LED light, and smart one-key tracking. Milwaukee 165mm 6-inch pipe stand. The Milwaukee 165mm 6-inch pipe stand is a versatile and durable workstation designed for cutting, threading, and grinding pipes and other materials. Its flat foldable design allows for compact storage and easy transport, while the stable lock system ensures steady support for precise work. With adjustable legs, interchangeable jaws, and compatibility with various power tools, it offers maximum flexibility. Optional shelves and a grounding tab enhance functionality, and its rugged aluminum and steel construction ensures long-lasting performance on any job site. Milwaukee Brushless 2-inch planer. The Milwaukee M12 Brushless 2-inch planer is a compact, lightweight powerhouse designed for precise one-handed woodworking. Its power state TM brushless motor delivers high-speed performance with a 14,500 RPM cutter, head and dual carbide blades for smooth finishes. Featuring 21 depth settings and up to 17.5mm rebate capacity, it handles soft and hard woods efficiently. The planer includes dual chip ejection, on-tool blade storage, a spring-loaded kickstand, and an integrated fuel gauge, combining convenience, productivity, and durability for professional and DIY users alike. Milwaukee Hardline Knives. Milwaukee Hardline knives are built for professionals who demand toughness, precision, and long-lasting performance. Designed for job site reliability, these knives feature premium blade steels, secure locking systems, and ergonomic handles for maximum control. The folding models use D2 steel, smooth flipper deployment, and robust frame or liner locks, while the fixed blade models utilize full tang AUS 8 steel for unmatched durability. With corrosion-resistant finishes, versatile carry options, and rugged construction, Hardline knives deliver dependable cutting power in any environment. Milwaukee Safety Glasses. Milwaukee Safety Glasses deliver superior protection and comfort for demanding job sites. Featuring military-grade, impact-resistant lenses with anti-scratch and long-lasting anti-fog coatings, they ensure clear vision in any condition. Lightweight frames with flexible nose bridges and comfortable temple arms allow extended wear. Many models include UV protection, removable foam gaskets, polarized or magnifying lenses, and top rubber debris guards. Certified to meet ANSIZ 87.1 Plus and CSAZ 94.3 standards, select models are also ARC tested for added workplace safety. Milwaukee Pipeline Locator. The Milwaukee M12 Pipeline Locator delivers precise, intuitive underground line detection for professionals. Equipped with dual 3D omnidirectional antennas and directional guidance icons, it ensures accurate locating of sewer camera sondes and energized lines. Its 4.3-inch daylight-readable LCD, durable IP65 rated design, and multiple frequency detections simplify complex jobs. Powered by the M12 red lithium battery, it offers long runtime, while one key integration enables inventory tracking and remote security. Quick onboard controls and calibration tests ensure reliability and efficiency on every job site. Milwaukee BOLT Head Protection. Milwaukee Bolt Head Protection Systems feature the integrated bolt accessory platform, enabling simultaneous attachment of multiple accessories like visors, face shields, earmuffs, headlamps, and marker clips. Type 2 safety helmets provide enhanced impact protection from top, front, side, and rear impacts. Comfortable padded suspension, moisture-wicking sweatbands, and adjustable ratcheting systems ensure a secure fit. Durable shells, versatile accessory compatibility, and advanced ANSI/ISEAZ 89.1 certifications make Milwaukee BOLT helmets ideal for demanding job sites while maximizing safety and convenience. Milwaukee Sewer Drum Machine. The Milwaukee Sewer Drum Machines, available in M18 and MX fuel systems, deliver powerful cordless solutions for clearing tough drain blockages. The MX fuel model features a brushless power state motor, power treads lift assist, cable drive auto feed, integrated drum brake, and fully enclosed drum for mess containment. The M18 fuel switch pack offers modular drums, tool-free swaps, automatic feed compatibility, and one key security. Both systems prioritize portability, control, and efficiency, handling lines from 3 inches to 4 inches with cable lengths up to 200 feet. Milwaukee Mounting Fan. The Milwaukee Mounting Fans offer versatile, powerful airflow solutions for any job site through their M12 and M18 battery platforms. Designed for flexible positioning, they feature integrated magnets, spring-loaded clamps, and keyholes for secure mounting on metal surfaces, tables, or hooks. Select models integrate with the pack-out system for easy transport. Dual AC/DC power, adjustable 3-speed airflow, and pivoting heads ensure precise ventilation. Built durable, compact, and portable, these fans are ideal for demanding work environments and tight spaces. Milwaukee Dust Trap Drilling Shroud. The Milwaukee SDS Plus Dust Trap Drilling Shroud is a versatile, collapsible dust containment solution for SDS Plus rotary hammers, ensuring OSHA compliance even without a vacuum. Its universal fit works with all brands, accommodating drill bits up to 8 inches long. The clear replaceable sleeve maximizes visibility, while the collapsible design allows easy storage and access in tight spaces. Use it standalone or with a dust extractor for up to 99% dust collection, made from durable, job site ready materials. Milwaukee Rover service and repair floodlight. The Milwaukee M12. Rover service and repair floodlight is engineered for durability and reliable performance on demanding job sites. With a 9-foot drop rating, IP54 dust and water resistance, and a limited lifetime LED warranty, it minimizes maintenance needs. Features like a pivoting head, TrueView 700 lumen output, magnetic and keyhole mounting, USB charging, and an overmolded grip ensure versatile, hands-free operation. Compact and lightweight, this floodlight delivers high-quality illumination for service, repair, and inspection tasks in tight spaces. Milwaukee A IRT IP Dust Collector. The Milwaukee AIR Tip Dust Collector is a smart, hands-free vacuum attachment designed to keep dust under control while cutting or drilling. Using strong suction, it seals firmly against walls, allowing you to work freely with both hands. Its wide funnel design captures debris at the source, reducing airborne dust and cleanup time. Built with durable materials and compatible with multiple hose sizes, it fits most wet-dry vacuums, making it a reliable and efficient job site accessory. Milwaukee Vibratory Screed. The Milwaukee MX Fuel TM. Vibratory Screed delivers powerful, cordless concrete consolidation with a push-button start and 0 emissions. Its red lithium TM battery system eliminates gas maintenance, while the Power State TM brushless motor provides the strength to pull up to a 16-foot bar and handle slabs up to 6 inches thick. Offering 4,000 to 9,000 VPM, variable speed control, adjustable handlebars, and quick bar change compatibility, it ensures precision and comfort. One key integration adds smart tracking, security, and management for demanding job sites. Milwaukee Surveyor's Safety Vests. Milwaukee Surveyor's safety vests deliver rugged durability and exceptional functionality for demanding job sites. Built with tear-resistant 600D woven material, they withstand heavy use while offering unmatched convenience through a 27-pocket storage system for tools, tablets, and essentials. The padded collar, adjustable fit, and breathable mesh panels ensure all-day comfort. ANSI/ISEA 107-15, Type R class. 2 compliance enhances visibility and safety, while added features like antimicrobial treatment, dual mic tabs, and logo-ready panels make these vests versatile and job-ready. Milwaukee N95 Valved Respirators. Milwaukee N95 Valved respirators offer reliable protection and all-day comfort for demanding work environments. NIOSH N95 certified, they filter at least 95% of non-oil-based airborne particles, making them ideal for sanding, grinding, and insulation tasks. The integrated exhalation valve reduces heat by up to 10 degrees Fahrenheit, minimizing glasses fogging, while adjustable straps and a flexible nose bridge ensure a secure, comfortable fit. Lightweight and staple-free, these respirators provide enhanced wearability for construction, demolition, and woodworking applications. Milwaukee Heavy Duty Flex Work Pants. Milwaukee Heavy Duty Flex Work Pants combine durability, comfort, and mobility for demanding job sites. Crafted from a 10-ounce blend of cotton, polyester, and spandex, they resist tears and abrasions while offering a broken-in feel. Free flex stretch and a knee-to-knee gusset enable maximum movement. Reinforced high wear zones, triple stitch seams, and purposeful pockets, including tool-specific clip-on locations, enhance functionality. Additional features like wide belt loops, a YKK zipper, and a sculpted rear hem ensure long-lasting comfort and practical performance for any trade professional. Milwaukee Threaded Rod Cutter. The Milwaukee M18 Brushless Threaded Rod Cutter is a powerful cordless tool designed for fast, clean, burr-free cuts on common threaded rod sizes. Its four-sided rotatable dies handle both mild and stainless steel rods, while the centered grip ensures balanced one-handed or overhead use. The auto-opening jaws boost productivity, and the brushless motor delivers over 400 cuts per charge. With LED illumination, precise alignment, red link electronics, and a minimum 1.5-inch cut, it's ideal for professional job sites. Milwaukee Fuel 16-gauge variable speed nibbler. The Milwaukee M12 Fuel TM 16-gauge variable speed nibbler 247-6-20 is a compact, lightweight cordless tool designed for fast, precise cuts in various metals without sparks or heat. Featuring variable speed control, a 360-degree tool-free die rotation, and an ergonomic design, it offers unmatched versatility and comfort. Cuts include 16-gauge mild steel, 18-gauge stainless steel, and 12-gauge aluminum. With an integrated LED light, chip collection bag, Power State TM, brushless motor, and RedLink Plus TM intelligence, this nibbler delivers efficiency, durability, and ease for any job.